In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an assignment tracker using Microsoft Excel. We are going to make a simple tracker that helps you organize assignments, keep track of due dates, and quickly see how many days are left before each task is due. This setup is easy to build and very useful for schoolwork, personal study, or any project list that has deadlines. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and creating a new file by clicking Blank Workbook. This gives you a clean sheet to work with, which makes it easier to set up your tracker neatly from the beginning. Once the workbook is open, go to the first row and enter your column headers. In cell A1, type Assignment. In B1, type Subject. In C1, type Due Date. In D1, type Days Left. In E1, type Status. These headings will organize your tracker and make each section easy to understand at a glance. Next, fill in your data rows for columns A, B, C, and E. Under Assignment, type the name of each task. Under Subject, enter the class or category it belongs to. In the Due Date column, add the deadline for each assignment. In the Status column, enter the current progress, such as whether the assignment is done or still in progress. As you enter due dates, make sure they are formatted as real dates in Excel, because the countdown formula depends on that to work correctly. After your basic information is entered, click into cell D2. This is where you will calculate how many days remain until the assignment is due. Type this formula exactly, equals IF, open parenthesis, E2 equals quote, done quote, comma 0, comma C2 minus to DOW, open and close parenthesis, then close the IF parenthesis. This formula checks the status first. If the assignment is marked done, Excel will show 0. If it is not marked done, Excel will subtract today's date from the due date and return the number of days left. Now apply that formula to the rest of the rows. Select cell D2, then move to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag it downward through the remaining rows in your tracker. Excel will copy the formula automatically and adjust it for each assignment. You now have a working assignment tracker that updates the countdown for you each day. That covers everything you need to know.